The CN Tower, located in Toronto, Canada, is an iconic landmark and a must-visit destination for tourists. Standing at a height of 553 meters, 1,815 feet, it held the title of the world's tallest freestanding structure for over 3 decades. The footage, captured using a drone, provides a breathtaking aerial view of one of Toronto's most famous landmarks. The CN Tower has become an integral part of Toronto's tourism industry, attracting millions of visitors each year. Its architectural marvel and unique experiences make it a popular choice for both locals and travelers alike. If you're planning to visit Toronto, be sure to include the CN Tower in your itinerary.